Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain step-by-step how to recover your blocked Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, account. Having your account restricted can be stressful, but following the correct process will help you restore access quickly and safely. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your email for Wise notifications. When Wise blocks an account, they usually send an email explaining the reason or requesting additional information. Open your inbox and read any recent messages from Wise carefully. The email often includes instructions or documents they need before reactivating your account. Step 2. Log into Wise and look for verification requests. Go to wise.com and try logging in. Even if the account is blocked, you may see a message asking you to complete identity checks or upload documents. Follow the prompts and submit anything requested, such as ID verification or proof of funds. Providing high-quality images will speed up the review process. Step 3. Upload required documents clearly. If Wise asks for documents, make sure they are clear, well-lit, and valid. This may include a passport, national ID, or documents showing the source of your money. Providing high-quality images will speed up the review process. Step 4. Contact Wise support directly. If you didn't receive an email or you're unsure why your account is blocked, go to the Wise Help Center and contact support. Explain your situation briefly and attach any relevant details. Wise typically responds within a few hours to a few days, depending on the case. Step 5. Wait for Wise's compliance review. After submitting everything, Wise's compliance team will review your account. During this time, avoid creating new accounts or sending repeated messages, as it may slow down the process. Once reviewed, Wise will notify you by email whether your account is restored. Step 6. Secure your account after recovery. Once your account is unblocked, enable two-factor authentication, update your password, and review your recent activity. This ensures your account remains safe and compliant going forward. For more helpful tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.